Hello and welcome back. So today I am announcing the winners of my Beatrix Potter giveaway. So the giveaway comes with a couple of different prizes. So there'll be 3 winners for the Beatrix Potters. You will get yourself the Beatrix Potter little album, which I think is really cute, from Cambridgeshire Coins, plus your choice of these enamelled coins from GooRoo coins. So we've got as a pair Mrs. Tittermouse and Tom Kitten, Mrs. Tiggy Winkle and the Tailor of Gloucester, and then everyone's favourite Team Flopsy Bunny. So the way it'll work, I will draw names using a random comment picker, and then the first person who's picked will get their first choice, second person that is picked will get second choice, and the third person picked will get whatever is left. You'll have 2 weeks to contact me. If you are number 1, you don't contact me in 2 weeks, I'm going to move on to number 2, and then I move on to number 3, and if then number 1 hasn't contacted me, I'll draw another winner. But I am also drawing the 3rd attempt to give away my silver-proof Benjamin Bunny set, which again no one has claimed. So, but first, let's get, this is the URL to the Beatrix Potter giveaway. 347 unique comments. I think I just scroll down, there we go. And let's pick the winner, so good luck to you all. So first winner is Ege Fuller, who asks, what do you think the best bank to go is? It depends. It depends on your local branch. I've heard lots of people say my Santander is really good, and then other people say my Santander is really bad. So it's just about you. Just go into your banks and find out. So that is winner number 1. So E.G. Fuller. So contact me on Discord, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or send me an email. But I will verify you are who you are. You say you are. If that makes sense. If you are who you are, you say you are. So don't try and pretend to be a winner. I've had that before, and needless to say, it didn't work out. Winner number 2 is... It is Sophia Gallego, which is a name I think I recognise from the what's it called? Live streams. Question: are you planning to buy the Guernsey 2019 Pantomime 50p set? Possibly not, just because I know if I start buying territories I want them all, so I'm avoiding doing that if I can help myself. And then winner number 3 is Walking in Darkness 203. You got me into coin collecting, and now my question is, what old coin set would you want to see again? I want to see some of the old monarchs on coins. I think that'd be an awesome set, like the old monarch on one side and the old first being the queen. I think that'd be really neat. So that is the 3 winners of the Beatrix Potter giveaway, but we still have, where's it gone? From my 30,000 subscriber giveaway, I still have this box, which has got nothing less than a silver-proof Benjamin Bunny inside, which is a stunner. But this is the 3rd time I'll be drawing the winner. So please, someone claim it. It comes with a little book. The Tailor Benjamin Binny book. So, hopefully, the winner this time claims the prize. Now, if I go back to this one here. That's the URL for this video, for the silverproof giveaway, 1010 entrants. So again, let's cross our fingers, and hopefully this winner wants to claim the prize. It is The Last Ace. Congrats on 30k, awesome videos, well deserved milestone. Thank you very much. So yes, all of you people that have won, a massive congratulations to you all. I'm sure everyone will join me in congratulating you down in the comment section. Get in touch with me. I will wait 2 weeks before I start moving through different winners. I do have another giveaway planned, another giveaway or 2 planned before the end of the year, so be sure to get in by then. But all that leaves me to do is thank you all so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye.